Good afternoon, everyone, and my name is Juan Carlos Gil, and today we're going to be looking at mosaic manufacturing. That's right, mosaic manufacturing. And you ask, what is mosaic manufacturing? Well, it's a multi-color, multi-material accessory for your 3D printer. Really? That means I could do 4 colors with one extruder? Yes, you could do 4 colors with one extruder. Really? I could do multi-material with one extruder? I'm like, yes. You could do multi-material with one extruder. You could do it all by using mosaic manufacturing and the palette too. So come with me and let's see what mosaic manufacturing and the palette 2 is all about. Enjoy. As you see, we are currently using the Prusa i3 Mark 3s. That is right, the Prusa i3 Mark 3s. And instead of using these filaments up here, and this is a TPU filament, we are using the palette 2. You ask, what is the palette 2? Well, it's a multi-extruder. There's 3 filaments here, but I'm actually using 2 because I'm doing in granular mode. I'm gonna take this off the cap, and there you go. That is the palette 2 in full action. The gray thing is the Slice Pro, the Slicer Pro, and that is actually a core that actually heats up to 250 degrees Celsius to splice 2 different filaments. You'll see it in a little bit when the splicing is done. And then there's an inner lay where you could use 4 filaments on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. It just spliced. You saw the green light. It's spliced. And now you're going to see the black filament coming in. Then it goes up a Bowden tube into your printer. It could be a Prusa. It could be a Creality printer. It could be any printer with 1.75 filament. That's correct, 1.75 filament. And as you could see, I am doing right now granular mode. I'm actually doing a swivel swinger, or a something that's fun. There's 15 minutes left out of 2 hours. Going back to the palette, as you could see, it actually slowly goes and hits that little nub, and that's actually the switch. That round part is actually the buffer, and that buffer allows the filament to actually get ready and do what it needs to do to take in more filament. Right now, the printer is going at 100%, and we don't need an external buffer. This buffer is sufficient. And the LCD is actually colored as well. This is a colored LCD that is touchscreen, and you'll see it right now. So mosaic manufacturing has thought about it all, completely. Has thought about it all. And it's slowly going to go up to the buffer sensor, so it could either splice or bring in more filament, as you could see. And you could see now the splice. It's going from blue to black. There is actually some thumb screws, and these thumb screws could you could actually go in and take the different filament out. I'm not gonna lie, I've had some filament jams. Not bad, but it's mostly in the splice core. This splice core gets so hot, not to the touch, but internally it gets so hot that the PTFE tubes, they're small little PTFE tubes that you see here, go into the splice core, and they splice together with a little metallic cable or rod. It's like a spring, if you want to call it. So right now it's about to hit the sensor. A little bit more. This is actually the scroll wheel. There was another company, or Palette 2 made the Palette 2, the Palette Plus, and it had an actual mechanic scroll wheel, and now this is a digital mechanical scroll wheel, but it's inside the actual unit. And it actually is counting the splices and the length all at once of the filament. As you can see, it's about to hit it. And because this is in gradient mode, it's either going to bring more material or splice a part. As you can see, it's going to hit it now. A little bit more. There it goes. And you could see the black material spliced perfectly. There it went. It's actually going into the buffer area. And now it's just grabbing more black. And with canvas will allow you to actually grab one solid print object and make it with multi-material in using mesh mixer. That is right, you could use mesh mixer. And in the fall, don't quote on me this, but in the fall, you're actually able to start painting solid one-color materials for multi-color printing. That is right, solid one-color materials for multi-color printing. So it's about to come back up, and it's going to grab another splice. Oh, I did do a quick splice. It went from blue to black, back to blue, as you see there. So tell me what you want to actually see. And I'm actually willing to create a contest for me to get more subscribers. And when I hit 500 or 1,000 subscribers, I am willing to give, in any part of the world, this is an open contest, that's right, open contest, a 3D print of your choice. A 3D print of your choice. Please give me a call or contact me here on YouTube land. As you can see, it's going to black. And we could talk about what you want to see. Leave me comments. So please enjoy, please rate, and subscribe. This is Juan Carlos Gil with JCT Productions here on YouTube. Juan2617 on YouTube. Juan Gil on YouTube, and JCT Productions. Thank you so very much on Instagram. And have a wonderful day. Please rate, subscribe, and once more, enjoy. Thank you so much, you guys. Take care.
En un plato con